Do you want to swap your regular potato burger for something healthier? Yes, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a sweet potato chickpea burger patty recipe that's healthy, hearty, and 100% plant-based. It's perfect for wholesome weekend dinner, your next barbecue party, or just easy meal prep because it's totally freezer-friendly. So, go ahead and make a big batch. Stick around to see how easy it is to whip this up from scratch. Flavor, nutrition, and simplicity all in one bite. Let's get started. So here's a chickpea hack you need to try if you have an instant pot. Start by adding your dried chickpeas to the instant pot. For every cup of chickpea, add 3 cups of water. Perfect for tender chickpeas. Next, press the pressure cook button. Then choose beans mode. Hit delay start and set the timer. I'm setting the timer for 6 hours today. The delay start feature is a lifesaver. It soaks and cooks your chickpeas in one go. No need for soaking them separately overnight. Once done, store the chickpeas in a glass jar. Use them all the week round for hummus, chole, or toss them into salads for a protein boost. For this recipe, you will need 1 sweet potato. Start by peeling your sweet potato, then cut it in half. You can grate it manually or like me, use your mixture and get it done under 2 minutes. That's it, quick and easy. I have already boiled a big batch and stored them in advance. Today I am using about 1 1/4 cup of this cooked chickpeas. Now draining the chickpea is really important. If there's too much moisture left, the mixture won't bind properly when we make patties. So make sure to drain all the excess water. Take a minute to really get that water out and your chickpeas will be ready for the next step. Now that the chickpeas are nice and dry, mash them first. Next, add 2 cups of grated sweet potato. Sweet potato adds the perfect balance of sweetness and texture. Next, for freshness and flavor, 1 cup of finely chopped spring onion and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. For heat, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and fresh ginger 1 tablespoon. For fresh tangy note, squeezing juice of 1 whole lemon. For binding, you will need 1/2 to 3/4 cup of chickpea flour. Add it in a little at a time, mixing as you go. This will help everything come together. Next, I will show you the seasoning mixture, for which I will add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin seeds powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, and salt to taste. Cayenne powder can be replaced with taco seasoning as well. Add the spice mixture to the chickpea and sweet potato patty burger mixture. To it, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Keep mixing until it all comes together. Knead the mixture thoroughly until it forms a dough. This step helps break down the fibers, making it easier to form patties. Next, oil your hands to prevent from sticking. Then scoop the mixture using a 1/3 cup to level it off and form equal sized patties. This recipe makes around 9 patties, each about 3.5 inches in diameter, ½ inch thick, and weighing around 85 grams per patty. And there you go. Spiced chickpea sweet potato patties are ready to bake. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so after making a big batch of this delicious sweet potato chickpea patties, here's my storing tip. I like to store them in a container, and to keep them from sticking, I form layers of patties using parchment paper between each layer. This way, they stay fresh and easy to grab whenever you need them. Whenever you are ready to enjoy, just bake or grill them as needed. It's a great way to have a healthy meal ready to go at any time. This method keeps them crisp and flavorful every time. Enjoy a meal prep. Halfway through baking, lightly grease the patties with a little oil. This helps them turn out perfectly crisp on both sides. You can also air fry them or grill them on regular tawa, whatever works best for you. It's time to assemble. I'm showing you 2 tasty ways to enjoy it: a classic burger and a low-carb plant-based ball. Let's start with the burger. I'm using homemade yogurt, strained to make hunker. To that, add a little sriracha or mayo of your choice, plus some chopped jalapenos. Mix it up and boom! Your creamy spicy dressing is ready. Take some good quality burger buns, slice them in half and spread the dressing on the base. Add spring mix or lettuce, the chickpea patty, a slice of tomato and some onions. Top it off and there you go. Superb burger is ready. Cut it in half. If you like, it's ready to devour. Now for a low carb option, grab a serving bowl, add a patty, some spring mix, tomatoes and a few olives. I can't even describe how tasty this is. So fresh, so tasty, so satisfying. Try this chickpea patty recipe at your next barbecue, summer road trip, or just call your bestie and enjoy it together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, God bless and bye for now.